Upgrade your bathroom, a guide to choosing the perfect replacement window, Vista glass. Finding the right bathroom window can be difficult due to privacy concerns. However, many types of windows will protect your private space. How to replace bathroom windows? Bathroom windows have many benefits, including natural light and ventilation. These are the key points to remember when choosing bathroom windows. Functionality. Bathroom windows can help reduce mold and mildew growth by releasing moisture and odors from the space. Privacy. Privacy glass is available on some windows, which can reduce visibility for both interior and exterior views. Wall space. A window can be installed to take up valuable wall space that could otherwise be used for other bathroom necessities like shelves, cabinets, or racks. Window frame material. Wooden windows will deteriorate in bathrooms due to higher humidity and increased moisture. Bathroom window styles to consider. Consider the size of your bathroom, its design and privacy when choosing bathroom windows. Windows with awning. Awning windows are hinged at the top and can be opened outward towards your home. Casement windows. Casement windows allow maximum ventilation because they open completely. Double hung windows. These windows have two movable panels or sashes that open at the top/bottom, allowing for excellent airflow. Block windows in glass. Each glass block window uses a textured pattern that blocks the view and lets in sunlight. Slider windows. These windows are ideal for tight spaces and let fresh air into the bathroom. Transom windows. Transom windows are often used as focal points to complement existing windows and doors. Skylights. Skylights can be an alternative to traditional wall windows. Skylights provide privacy, unobstructed views of the sky and plenty of natural light.